Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be here. Walter at the workbench with products from the Rust Store. Could you imagine you have a business where you choose the name, call it the Rust Store? Well, I guess it makes sense because it's all things rust related. The Rust Store, I found them, and they have a whole line of different products from rust removal to rust prevention. And I was curious about some of these products. One is a cup, and in that cup is product that emits vapor corrosion inhibiting vapor within a cabinet. So this would be good for like a tool cabinet where you have a lot of steel tools, but it works for brass and aluminum and other, even they say even for some electronics. And then this product is good for like small cases. It's called the rust blocker strips. So there's 6 of them in here, and you basically peel off, it's self-stick. You put it like in a, if you had a box for your plane and you put the plane away, you stick one of these in there and close it. And if it stays closed, you're good for a year or more. But the item that I was really excited about was this one here. Bullfrog tool wipes. And I'll leave a link to these products down in the description box. Head on over to the Rust Store and check them out, okay? But this cleans tools, stops rust. So they claim it's a cleaner, degreaser, anti-static, rust remover, corrosion inhibitor for multi-metals. So how this works, and I have one out here on the bench, is let's say it's the end of the day and you're not going to be using your tools for a while, whether it's, even if you're a professional woodworker on the weekend, clean everything before going home for the weekend. And that way, you've got everything protected. So what I would do is I would pop the hood, take the blade set out, take the blade set apart. You pull your chip breaker or your cap iron back. And naturally, you want to dust everything off while you're doing this. And then you turn your chip breaker, and then you lift it off through the hole, okay? You got these 2 parts. Be careful not to damage your edge. You take your plane, dust it off, and then all you do is you take one of the wipes and you start wiping down all of your steel and iron parts. And because it also lubricates, you could use it on your lateral, you could use it on screws. Putting it on the frog here not only prevents rust, but it also cleans it. You take your cap iron and you clean with it. Front and back, screw head. So there's a little bit of oxidation on the back of this. Let me see if it actually removes some of that. Yeah, it takes some of the rust off. So if you use these periodically, you will keep your tools rust free. So there's the cap. The lever cap doesn't have much bare metal on it, not this one, but we'll wipe it down anyway. And then there's the blade. Be careful with your sharp edge. Get in between. All your edges. And then your plain body, You wipe that down. One cheek, the other cheek, sole, nose, heel. And that is about it. And look at the grime. Look at the grime that it picked up. So it does clean and protect. And it's supposedly environmentally friendly and safe. And from the research that I've done, what a lot of these corrosion inhibiting vapors are organic materials, plants, herbs, that they distill and get oils and whatnot. So now what I'm doing is taking a clean paper towel and just drying it off. So you can see this doesn't take long. And what it'll do, it'll leave a layer on the surface to prevent any future rust. So now you put your blade set back together, face, screw through the hole, bring it down slightly. You don't have to go all the way. And make sure you lift your chip breaker or cap iron slightly so you don't damage the front edge. And then you set your front edge to the cutting distance you like. That's about where I normally use it. Put it back in. Make sure it's sitting on the lateral. Put the hood back on, close the hood, and you're good to go. Done. So I did the number 3. I did my number 4. And I'll do my 4.5 and my number 5. And then they can go back on the shelf. So, thanks for stopping by. I hope this helps. Just another option to fight rust in your workshop. Bullfrog tool wipes. Bullfrog rust blocker strips. And this one, which is really kind of interesting, because if you have a tool chest, you could put that in the tool chest and it'll fill up the whole thing with vapor. Rust blocker cup. Head out to your workshop. If nothing else, clean and oil your iron tools. It's summertime, the humidity is up. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.